Yeah. For today's vlog is English only. Yeah. I'm having a nosebleed. Welcome back. So welcome back. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Mga padangat. It's me again, Mary ko, Mary nyo, Mary mo, Mary nating lahat. And welcome back to my vlog. Yay! Yes. Yun lang. So mga padangat, for today's vlog is just a random day. It's a normal day for us, and now I'm gonna bring Cody in his class, a learning class, mga padangat, and he's with me now. We're waiting for the time for him to go inside class. So for now, we're having a breakfast here on the bench. We bought a bread there. English tayo, no? So mga padangat yun. Um, for today's vlog is English challenge today. No more Tagalog. It's only English for today. So today, I'm just here having some breakfast. We bought a sausage bread. But me, I've already eaten my breakfast there while we are waiting for the bus. So, yeah. So, yeah. Are you curious what is my breakfast is? My breakfast is just a coffee and biko. You know biko, right? So, but this little boy here, he ate also with me. He take a bite with my biko. So that's why we're still here outside, even if so cold. We need to wait for the class. We need to wait for a little while because it's gonna be open at what time? It's gonna be open at I think 10 o'clock, right, Cody? Yes, 10 o'clock. So we still have 1 hour to wait. I don't know if we're going inside at our side or we're just gonna wait here. What do you think, my little boy?
Yeah.
Wait here, okay. But it's a little bit cold, too cold today for us to stay here. Today is, I think, 9 degrees Celsius only the weather, but I don't know. It's cold, it's too cold. But I'm wearing now, how many clothes I'm wearing now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I have 4 clothes. Undershirt, t-shirt, and jacket and hoodie. I have 4. And I have this one also. I wear a cap because I don't want the cold in my head. So now I'm having a nosebleed. What do you think, Cody? Are we gonna am I gonna stop talking in English or keep going? Keep going. So yun mga badangat, for today's vlog talaga is English only. Yeah. For today's vlog is English only. Yeah, that's the vlog. Let's go. Ay, wrong. English only. So, let's go back to the English. So, I'm gonna tell you something, mga padangat. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you something happened when we went to China last month. I think it's last month, yeah. We went to staycation in Lishu, basta yun na yun, China. So, We have a lot of experience there. I rode, yes, and the automatic bike, but I'm not the one who drive it. So, the one who drive it is the friend of Ma'am Au. Yes, and just you know, basta yun na yun.
You're carrying you.
Yeah,
You're carrying you.
I carry Cody. Cody or Cody?
Cody.
Yeah. Mom Owl let me experience the thing that I never did. I never experienced, so I'm happy for that vacation. Too tired, too tiring, but it's worth it. I got a massage. I got a hair spa massage, right? And we watch a water show. And what else did we? What else?
TV.
Watching TV. We didn't watch TV there.
We watch.
We're always outside
We watch at night.
at night, and then
I always watch.
we went to a mountain, a falls. There's a falls, right? We
The water show.
not in the water show. So that's all for today's vlog. Today's vlog, paalam na. Nawala na ng
And we
English.
buy a
So,
balloon.
I think we're gonna go inside Cody because I think it's better to wait there than here because here is very cold. I cannot take it anymore. Take it anymore. Oh, baby. Let's go. Let's go to our side na. It's too cold. Too cold for us. I don't want to get sick. Yes. We're gonna go inside because it's too cold here, mga padangat, and I cannot stay longer here. It's too much. Let's go. So yeah, we're gonna go now. And the boy here. So, back in Tagalog na tayo mga padangat. Nag-nosebleed na tayo mga padangat. So, yan yung vlog na ito ay isa lamang ay normal day of my day. Normal day of my day. So, yun na nga mga padangat. Mamaya, pagkatapos ng ano niya, ng learning class niya, punta na siya sa, uwi lang kami, tapos punta na siya sa school. And then ako, as usual, maglilinis. And then, patas maglinis, pahinga ng 1 oras. Tapos sundo na naman ako dun sa maliit. So, we're here. And we're here. And we're here. And I'm here. So, punta na kami ng Earthside. Pasok na kami pagkadaan kasi sobrang lamig. Grabe yung lamig mga padangat. Kaya, tumatagos na hanggang sa buto ko. Kaya kailangan na namin pumasok sa loob kasi sobrang lamig na talaga siya. Ako nga hindi ko matiis. And then, how much more pa kaya si Cody? Tumatagos na siya hanggang sa buto ko. Kaya kailangan na namin pumasok. Nakakapagod yung everyday life ni Kunyang ng inyong padangat. So, pero kailangan nating tiisin kasi yun naman talaga dapat ang gawin para sa pamilya. Fight, fight, fight! Whew. Dito na kami bumaba. Pag mga learning class, dito kami bumababa na sa malapit na sa school lang ni Koy. Para hindi na kami bumalik pa. Kasi pag from our house, lalakad pa kami ng 30 minutes. So, kaya dito na lang din kami nag-antay kasi para isahang galaw ko na lang din. Kasi pag hindi ko minanage yung time ko, ay nako, minsan hindi ko na nagagawa yung ibang dapat kong gawin. Inaano ko na sa another day. Pero ngayon, gawin ko na kasi Dati, ay ilang beses dan na hindi kami bumababa dito. Doon na kami bumababa sa may malapit sa bahay. Kaso na nga, naglalakad pa kami ng 30 minutes. Sabi ko yung ilakad natin ng 30 minutes. I-ano na natin. I-wait na lang natin dun sa sa may mall. And then, also eat breakfast na din. Kasi wala na kaming time magkain ng breakfast sa bahay. Gawa ng ginigising ko yung mga bata ng 7, and then bisan ko na sila, pakainin ko ng snacks, yung mga biscuit na lang or tinapay, pero hindi naman yun kayang lang na ganun lang yung kakainin ni Cody. Kaya ginagawa ko, pinapakain ko siya ng medyo mabigat-bigat din sa tiyan kasi 10 to 11 pa yung niya, yung klase niya. So, pinapakain ko siya ng tinapay. And then, siya din yung bumibili ng tinapay niya, mga padangat. Hindi ako. Pera niya yun. Kaya, ayan. Oh, ako bumili ako ng ng biko dun sa friend ko kasi nagtitinda siya ng biko. 2 biko. Yung isa, kinain na namin ni Cody. Tapos, yung isa, yun yung lunch ko mamaya. And then, dapat ang magiging lunch ko is yung kamote, pero kasi nga nagtinda si Sel, kaya bumili ako ng 2. So yun magiging lunch ko, yung isa, pati yung yung kamote nagawin ko na lang dinner mamayang gabi. Kasi hindi ako nakain ng kanin ngayon, mga padangat. Kailangan kong mag-diet gawa ng may problema nga, may may lumps ako sa dede. Yes, mga padangat. Pero hindi naman siya delikado. Kaya lang, kailangan ko lang mag-diet, and then huwag kumain ng mga bawal lang mga red meat, and then mga oily, and then kailangan kumain ng mga prutas. So yun. So yung vlog na to, mga padangat, gusto ko lang itong umabot sa length na dapat kailangan. Kaya yun. Libot-libot ko na lang din kayo dito sa our side. So ito yun. So mag-wait kami kasi 10:30 pa dito, mas warm. So yeah, I'm here na. Tour ko kayo sa our side.
I need more down.